Hey guys, good morning. How's everybody doing? So, I wanted to get on. I wanted to do a really quick. Again, not really a big TA on Bitcoin. More of where the next stop is. And I do think it's not necessarily 48K. I actually think 52K is somewhat confirmed. On the hour, we have been trading sideways on this bear trigger ever since what 18. What is 18? 6 o'clock. Um, 6 o'clock in the afternoon, and we actually had this huge spike at 1 o'clock p.m. yesterday from 44.8 all the way up to 46.6, and then we kept pushing all the way to 47.7. I actually think we're probably gonna hit 48.1 today. That's my target for today. Sometime this week, we might actually hit 52K, possibly. I do think we'll probably see maybe a nice rejection after once we hit 48.1. I'm hoping that we just completely just kill that. But as of right now, I do think we're headed to 52K. I think that's my most. I wouldn't even say my target is 48.1. I think my target right now is 52K on Bitcoin. This here actually looks like it was possibly a short squeeze to the upside. The fact that this doesn't look like somebody got squeezed out. This either looks like this can be one of two things, right? Either somebody made a huge order and then the squeeze happened at 46.1. Everybody started covering, and that's why you still see this movement to the upside. Or someone closed all of their shorts here. That's why you see that huge bounce to the upside. I really doubt that somebody got liquidated down here at 44.8. It doesn't seem likely. It seems like somebody either closed their shorts, and that's why you see price pump all the way up to here, or you had someone with a huge massive order, and then the squeeze or the actual closing of positions happened from 46.1 all the way up to now. And I actually think that we're going to keep pushing up a lot higher right now. But again, still 100% bullish. You guys can see on the hour, we're going to be closing the hour maybe bullish in the next. It's going to be considered a violent close. No, not really. We're at 66 Stoke. I only consider violent closes when we hit when the Stoke is at 70 or higher. But it is relatively close to closing a violent close on the hour, which would more than likely push this, extremely hard to the upside in a very violent way, which I would hope that it happens, right? But like I said, not really much of a TA. It's more of a, I just think that we're gonna keep going up. As far as any retracements, I don't think we'll see too much of a retracement. If anything, you can probably see a retracement, maybe probably back to trend. You can probably see the run up here, right? You can probably see this and then probably retrace back to trend somewhere and then probably jump back up. Or I actually think we're gonna hit trend. Sorry. I actually think we're gonna hit 41 and then completely go to 52K, right? That's what I think. I don't think we're gonna hang out in this area anymore. You can jump up here, maybe trade sideways, up and down, whatever. But I think we're gonna break this, possibly come back down, retest, and then run up, right? But I think we're generally gonna be having a range of 48.1 and 52K. That's what I think. I think that's gonna be our new range. And even right now, right after this hour closes bullish, in 26 minutes, that's what I think is gonna happen, right? I don't really need to be doing too much TA. I already told you guys I'm 100% bullish on crypto overall. I think right now we're around this area right here. We're in the area before where we went from 39.7 to 43.9. I mean, if that's what a difference of, what is this? 39.7, 43.9, like 4K. If we do that same position here, it's 46 plus 450-ish. Yeah, so it would take us somewhere around this area again. Right? If that third candle ends up being the same as this, you would end up by the end of the week, somewhere around the 52K area. So, I mean, if I had to actually make a target out here in the time frame, I'd probably say that I'm bullish to 52K by the end of Sunday. I think I can get there a lot sooner. But again, don't really need too much TA right now. I think we're going to 48.1. I think it's kind of guaranteed. Honestly, I think 52K right now is my target as long as we do break through this number pretty easily, probably retest and then jump up. I don't think we're going to hang around this 40 between 48.1 and 44.5 for too long. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.